Jamaica. Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
One Jamaica, two.
Okay. These are the ones that we are getting.
Yes.
Okay.
Process. This one, two.
Okay.
So these are all
These are
machines?
the two that are going to be sent here.
This 733. This one bill. Just coin return.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. And it will follow from here, right?
Yes.
Looking forward to it.
Yes.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
You have to go there, Katie. You go there.
You need to come to Jamaica.
Katie, you go under the flag. And then... Yamaja, yeah.
You can see everybody, they have many countries that they sell these machines to. And we have the beautiful island of Jamaica.
Woo!
Jamaica.